Hey everyone! So the world of AI video is it's absolutely exploding right now, you know? It feels like every single day there's some new tool that's making waves. Today we're going to cut right through all that noise and give you a super clear guide on how you can actually start for free.
So let's just get right to it, because this is probably the question that brought you here. Can you jump in and start making those incredible AI videos with OpenAI's Sora for free, like right now? It's pretty much the #1 question on everyone's mind.
And, that question is being fueled by something we can only describe as the Sora hype. I mean, if you've been on the internet at all lately, you've seen it. Sora is this just groundbreaking model from OpenAI that generates these stunningly realistic and imaginative video clips from just a little bit of text. The results are frankly mind-blowing and have totally captured everyone's imagination.
Okay, so let's dive into that a little bit. Because while all that hype is very, very real, we got to talk about the hard truth of the situation as it stands today.
And this is probably the most important thing you're going to hear today. The source material is crystal clear on this, and I want you to see this quote. Any website, any app, any download link that you see promising Sora 2 free, it's not legit. It is almost certainly a scam, trying to install malware, or just plain mislead you. Seriously, you have to be so careful out there.
So let me just put it as plainly as possible. Sora is not available to the public. Not for free, not even if you wanted to pay for it. It is just not out yet.
So you're probably wondering, well, why have I seen all those incredible videos then? And the reason is that OpenAI has given access to a very, very small group of creators and researchers. They're the ones testing it out, giving feedback, and exploring what it can do and its safety before any kind of big public release.
Now I know that might sound like a bit of a letdown, but don't worry, this is actually where things get good. This is where our guide really begins. Let's talk about your free alternatives. Because here's the great news, you absolutely do not have to wait for Sora to start playing with this incredible technology. There are some seriously powerful AI video tools that you can go use for free today.
And the amazing thing is, the tools you see here, they're not just second-best options, they are incredibly powerful. You've got established players like Runway ML and Pika Labs, and then these incredible newcomers like Luma Labs with their Dream Machine and Kling AI, who are really pushing what's possible. And the best part? They all have free trials or free credit tiers, so you can just jump in and start creating.
All right, so you've got a list of tools, but where do you even start? Let's just walk through a really quick how-to guide to get you making your very first AI video. Honestly, it's surprisingly simple. First, just pick a tool from that list. Let's say you go to runwayml.com. You go there, you create a free account. Then you'll get to the fun part, the creation page. This is where the magic happens. You write a detailed text prompt, and finally, you just hit generate, and the tool uses your free credits to bring your idea to life.
Now, that second step, the text prompt, that is the most important part of this whole thing. So what is it? It's just a sentence describing exactly what you want the AI to make. But detail is everything. A cat is okay, but check out this example. A cat astronaut floating in space, photorealistic, slow motion. See? That level of detail is what gets you those amazing results.
And that really brings us to the big takeaway here. Let's talk about what the real path forward looks like for anyone who's serious about getting into AI video.
So here's the crucial point. The myth is that you should spend all your time hunting around online for some secret backdoor way to use Sora. The reality, and your best strategy, is to use the fantastic free tools that are available to practice and totally master the skill of writing great video prompts.
And this is exactly how you can actually get ready for when Sora eventually launches for real. The best thing to do is just follow OpenAI's official channels for news. And, be realistic. Based on their past launches, it's almost certainly going to be a paid service, probably part of a subscription like ChatGPT+. A big, generous free tier right at the start? Yeah, that's pretty unlikely.
So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this one thought. The specific tool, whether it's Sora or Runway or some brand new thing that drops next month, it's always going to change and evolve. But the core skill, that's your creativity. That's your ability to take an idea from your head and turn it into a compelling prompt. The tech is just sitting there waiting for your vision. So the real question is, what story are you going to tell?
InfoTech AI 360.